Hey, what's up, Dutch holders? So what's going on? In this video, we decide to Dutch coin this time selling time or holding time, because the Dutch coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency moving very fastly in the previous days. But I can't believe this very shock news. I already you visit on my channel. I make special videos for this. Today going down. Absolutely, I update my every time use. So this time, absolutely very urgent video, my friend. What we do at this current time: sell, hold, or buy. What we do. So I guide you. I research personally very high. Absolutely, I search on Twitter, Google, Instagram, every viewer, any website. I search it to what we do in this current situation. Then I found one reason. Then I found one solution to what we do at this time. And guys, let's see. First of all, I gonna show you to what's going on in the last 1 hour, my friend. In the last 1 hour, you can see here minus 7.65%. They're going down. So this is very critical situation for everyone, and every new holder cannot decide this to sell, hold, or buy. What I do, my friend, absolutely this is very important for you, because they make you millionaire and they are lost you. So if you wrong decide this time, you are in the loss. Exactly, you are lost everything and this. So my friend, be kind, and this time please don't miss any second of this video. Keep watch and understand what I talk you, my friend. This time, if you can see, the highest at 0.3145 US dollars, they're going up. But this time you can see here the chain anchor and minus 7.65%, they're going down. So very bad, man, and very bad. And what my prediction, they're going up or they're going down, my friend. If you can see here in the last 1 hour, they're going very badly down. But you can see here they take a very small jump again. And this time you can see here I update. You visit on my channel, check the last video. I update you today. They're going down and 10% go down. But this time you can see here in the last hour they change the 7.65%. So I think they fails as going up again. They fails as change and to jump. Absolutely, they're going up like a road. I think we are again landing. We are starting moving up again. Congratulations, my Dogecoin holder. I think they're going up. Absolutely, I found it. This reason they're going up, my friends. They are going up in upcoming. My prediction is good. My prediction is that today going up in upcoming time. Absolutely, if you are holding, please don't sell it. This is my advice you, and this is not a financial advice video. Please, friend, understand. But if you want to invest, please research personally. Absolutely, this is urgent video, my friend. Please hold it and wait for some more time, please. And in the future they're going up very high, my friends. Dogecoin cross and the top cross and XRP also. So wait for good time, my friend. This time absolutely very bad time, but I hope the good time is coming soon. So thanks for watching, friends. Please subscribe, keep touch with us for more informative videos, and press bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.